Hi friends, this is Sujil. Today in this video we are going to see how to introduce bullets and numbering in LaTeX. So in this video we will learn how to give bullets and numbering in an existing document. So we are going to use this document that we have created in previous videos. The link of that video is given in the description box. So for giving numbering and bullets in LaTeX, first we need to introduce a package which is called enumerate. So you can introduce that package like this: /use package enumerate. Okay, so now we have introduced a new package which is called enumerate. So let us say now we need to introduce some bullets after this paragraph. So after this introduction we are going to introduce some bullets. So let's see. For introducing bullets you need to write a command which is /begin itemize. So it will automatically generate a command and itemize. Then you can see here /item, where you need to write the contents which needs to appear after your bullets. So let us write here first point. Let's run this. So you can see that here after bullets a first point that we wish to add is appeared. Now we need to add another point /item you need to add, and you can write second point, then you run it. You can see here second point, and if you want to add another point you can use /item, which is third point. Likewise you can add n number of items. Okay, so now this is about the bulleting in the LaTeX. Now let's see how can we add numbering in LaTeX. So let us keep it here as it is. Now we will go and we are going to introduce numbering after this methodology paragraph. So you need to go here. You can have an enter here. For introducing numbers you need to have one command /begin enumerate. So it will automatically generate another command and enumerate. So the same thing we are going to write here. We need to write first point. Now we run it. Let's see how it is going to appear in the document. So it is coming like this, one first point. Now if you want to add second item, second point, you can write here. Now you run it, you can see the second point which is going to appear here like this. Now if you want one more point, slash item third point, you can write. Likewise you can add any number of items over here. So now let us see if someone needs to add this numbering. Instead of 1 2 3 we need to add Roman letter 1 2 3. So let us see how can we do. For that you don't want to change much more, you need to do only one thing. Just I am copying this for the sake of your understanding and pasting here. That means I am going to repeat the same thing. Let me run it. You can see that this numbering is going to repeat over here. So you can say this is first point, second point, third point, which is going to repeat. Now if I want this number in Roman number, you need to create one square bracket over here after enumerate, then you write I, capital I. Now let us run and see what is going to happen in this document. So this is coming first point, second point as in Roman letter. Now I am again copying all these items and pasting below this. Now I need this number in this fashion. Let us make it small I. So now you can see it is going to appear in this fashion. Okay, now suppose if anyone needs to add the numbering in ABCD format. So first we will see how can we represent that in small ABCD format. So you need to put small a over here. So let us see what is going to happen. So it is going to come ABC, and if you want to make it capital ABC, I am using the same thing, so that I am copying all these things and pasting below and making it capital A. So we can see this is coming like capital ABC. So this is the symbol tricks that we can use to add numbering to any LaTeX document. Next video we are going to see how to add references in a LaTeX document and how to create BibTeX file for the LaTeX referencing. So I hope this video is helpful for you. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.